Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candy. So in today's video, I'm back with another amazing video. I use Brazilian wool and a small braiding hair to make this hair. So let's go straight to the video. I can't wait to share it with you guys. And guess what? I did it by myself. So guys, we are using our Brazilian wool. I'm going to be using 5 pack for this hair, and we are going to be needing our braiding hair. So this is the braiding hair I'm using with some small pieces. So and we are going to be needing our bending rollers. Then this is the black rubber I'm going to be using to tie the knot of the hair. So another thing we are needing for this video is our is either you use shine and jab, or this is got to be edge control. So that's what I'm going to be needing for this video. Then I'm going to be needing our scissors. You understand, scissors. So guys, we are going to be, after removing the Brazilian, this is how the Brazilian is looking like. Then we are going to be using our we are going to be taking small pieces. Then you can comb it like that. You're going to be combing only the tip of the Brazilian. You can see I'm only combing the tips of the Brazilian. So you make sure while combing it, it's very soft and tangle free. So this is how it's looking like after. So now we are going to be removing our braiding hair. So this is the braiding hair I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to be taking small pieces out of it for coiling. Then you're going to bring your bending rollers. Then you started coiling it to bring that deep wave of the goddess braid out. So I'm going to be coiling with my bending rollers right now.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up.
So guys, another segment. This is where I'm going to be making the hair. You can see how my hair is looking like almost, and this is actually the first time of me trying this type of style on my hair. So this is it. I'm going to be sectioning the back side. I'm going to be sectioning the hair, you understand? So I'm not that good in the pattern, but just bear with me guys. So I just section the hair, like I use my comb to section the hair at the back. Then I'm going to be using my you can see how it's looking like. So just make sure when you are doing yours, there's a mirror in the front and there's a mirror at the back, so that you can see what you are doing. So this is me just trying. I've parted the hair. Then I'm going to be using control to separate the gel, to separate the hair, so that the line will be so straight and silky. So this is how I kind of see the hair is looking like after watching my videos, like after watching the videos of what I've made. So I have to just section the hair with the help of the glass I put at the back of my hair to see whether the hair is straightened. You get to some point I was just so discouraged that can I do this? But I never give up. I tried and I tried. So I sectioned the hair at the back. You can see it's looking a little bit straight. You can see how it's looking like. So you are going to section the hair into the boxes you want. So this is me just sectioning the hair into the boxes I want. And so guys, after sectioning the hair, you're going to be using your edge control to pat the hair. Then you're going to put the rubber band on it again. So after that, you're going to bring your crochet needle near the hair. You can see how I put it inside. So I'm picking only 13 strands of Brazilian wool. Then I'm going to be dividing it into two parts. Like one will be much, then one will be small. So I'm going to be crocheting the small one into the air. You can see the air is very small, and the person that inspired me using this method was Tupo on YouTube. Yeah, because she definitely make her hair herself, and she taught me this kind of method. So I separated the hair into two, then I put my edge control into it to make sure the hair blends together with the Brazilian wool. You can see, make sure the hair are equal, then you try and separate the hair into two so that the hair will be tight. So I'm going to be bringing the larger part. You can see, make sure it's very equal when you are doing it. Then I'm going to be using the wrap up method. You can see it's just as if I want to, like, I'm wrapping the hair up. So after you wrap it, you are not going to be picking it, you are going to be doing the braid. So this is the method I make use of while doing this here. Then you braid and braid and braid and braid, like seriously guys, you get to a point that my hand was literally paining me, like, but I just have to get it. I need to try and just do the style. So guys, just tell me what you think about this style. Maybe I should be doing a lot of this, maybe doing my hair using Brazilian wool, doing different style. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, just give this video a thumbs up. Let me to like and to subscribe. Thank you guys. So I'm literally at the edge of the hair, so I'm going to be picking my braiding hair and using it. I'll be using it to join the tips of the hair. So the braiding hair you bring out is one you'll be using to join the hair. The video wasn't showing because I was literally filming and doing the hair, so I didn't know that it wasn't showing. So guys, I'm sorry. So I just pick a little part of braiding hair and add to the tips, then I tie. So you are going to be doing the second one. You're going to be picking a little bit out of the hair, then you're going to bring it out of the hair. You can see literally what I'm saying. So after bringing it out, make sure the tips are equal. Like the tips are equal, then you're going to the tips are equal. So if literally you are doing it with someone, the person can just pick it, like pick it with your hair. But I think this method is better for you that are doing your hair by yourself. So after parting it into two, then I'm going to bring the bigger one to the hair. So this is another method I'm going to be using. You can see after putting it on top, you just started braiding it, but I still prefer the first one because it looks so tight while I do it finish. So I literally use that first method for all the hair I did in this particular section. So guys, when you get to the tip, make sure you braid the hair very well. You can see the where we comb out is already showing. So this is my braiding hair. I'm going to be picking only small strand, like small pieces, and then I'm going to be joining the hair. I join it to eyes because it's at the back. When I get to the front side, I started joining it like 3 times so that the hair will be more longer, because I want the coils to be long and not too short. So this is me just joining it. Then you see that I braid. Make sure you braid it small, and make sure the Brazilian wool you braid it finish from the end. Then after a lot of braiding, you just measure. I want it to be more equal, so I started measuring it. Then after measurement, I'm going to take a little piece out of the braiding hair, and I'm going to tie the hair. So this time, make sure you tie it very well, because when the hair begins to loose, it might lose the braiding hair. You know, you just braid it small. So this is just the method I make use of while doing this. So guys, I'm going to come back and explain something, so keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like, because that's the only way you can encourage me to do more. Thank you. Thanks for always stopping by. I love you.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would.
So guys, this is the last part. Like, I was happy when I did this. Like, this side, I was so happy. So this is the last one. I'm going to be crocheting it using the same method. So guys, the numbers of days I used in making this, actually I used 2 whole days, because I was just, after I did one, I'll just go and rest and do something else, you understand. So this is second day, actually I did the hair, because I imagine some people saying they did the hair for 15 minutes, but I think it's consistency sha. So this is me the second day. I've already did the hair, so I have to just try and follow the method. You wrap it around, take the bigger piece on top of the hair, and make sure you are looking at the yeah, very important. So this side, I use the wrapping method. So after wrapping, then I started braiding the hair. My hair was just so short, so you need to be generous with your, it's either you are using shanaga or you are using my edge control. I'm actually using edge control to make sure the small hair blends to the wool. We are using Brazilian hair, so any mistake, the hair will just comes out. So that's what I'm using. So I started braiding. Since this is the last video, hope you guys have already liked this video and subscribe. So guys, after I've braid the hair, after braiding them, you're going to make sure the hair um is looking equal with the remaining one. Don't forget that, so that you're going to have that equal length hairstyle, you understand. So watch this video and I'm coming back to talk, guys. So guys, I'm done with the braid, so I'm going to be unraveling the coils, like the braiding hair I roll with my bending roller. So you are going to unravel the hair, and this is how the hair is looking like after unraveling the hair. So this is how the coils is looking like. If you watch my previous video, I share you how you can separate the coils using cold water. So you separate it with cold water. So this is the hair. This is how the hair is looking like. So I'm going to be using the bending rollers. This is you can see I'm going to trim the hair. So after trimming, make sure you are very careful with the trimming. So I'm going to be taking first 4 pack of the hair, then I'm going to be rolling the hair. So you literally roll the hair, like roll it very, make sure it's very tight. So you can see me that I first did it, then I remove it back because I realized that it's not too tight. So you make sure you make sure the hair is tight very well. Then after that, that's what you are just going to be doing here. You can see, because I literally try and just make sure I measure the way I tie the hair. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. Make sure the hair is very equal at the tips, so that the coils will be equal. So I just started rolling the hair with bending roller. So that's what I literally do for everything. You can see. So this is how the hair is looking like after I've rolled the hair. So you can see some part at the back. That one I did, the bending roller wasn't enough. So I just have to just put this first one inside hot water. So you can see the hot water. So this is actually ordinary hot water. I did not put conditioner. So because some people actually used to put conditioner, but I didn't put conditioner. I just literally use the hot water. Then you need to be more careful while doing this part. So after I dip the hair into hot water, I just leave it for a few minutes. Even though you remove it now, the cost will have been okay, but just leave it for a few minutes. Then or you can decide to dry the hair. So I make sure the water comes near the Brazilian wool, so that the Brazil, I don't want something that will be too hard. If you wanna, I don't know whether you get what I'm saying. So this is me after I've coiled the hair. Then I'm going to be unraveling the hair. Yee, guys, see the coils. See the coils. See the coils. So this is how the coils is looking like after unraveling. So I decided to unravel the rest and see the result. So yeah, I'm so happy at this point. You understand? So this is the method. You can see the course is giving. So you can know the course of braiding hair is course now. So this is another cheap method. You can Nobody can tell whether I use Brazilian wool or an attachment unless I told them, because literally you cannot call it Brazilian wool. So guys, this is how it's looking like. You can see the final look of the hair. So I decided to just change my dress and just use some little snatcher, because I literally don't know how to make up. I will have done the makeup. So mm, the one we remove the hair, you're just going to be crocheting it to the hair. So you crochet to give it that boho look or goddess braid look. You're just going to crochet it. If it's up to me, I will not put that coils, but because of the for the sake of this video, maybe you like the coils, then I'm just going to be applying the coils to the hair. You're going to be applying. So this is how I'm applying. You just crochet, then you tie it. Just one knot is okay. So this is what I literally do to all the hair, and this is how it's look. You can put as much as you want. So this is me. Then I'm going to be putting braid to be just looking so silky and to give it this look. So make sure I'm generous with my mousse and make sure the thing enter the braid so well. So after putting some mousse, then I apply some oil. Make sure when you are putting the mousse, make sure it enters the braid very well. Then I'm going to be just giving it a trim to make sure the hair looks so equal with the boho look, like the coils I put there. So this is literally how the hair is looking like. You can see the eye, you can see that it's giving. So this is me while I put some little filter. This is how the hair is looking like. So guys, try it and let me know in the comment section what you think about this style. What's your opinion about it? So this is me when I haven't put some sticker, and this is how I just like my black, you understand? So guys, so this is how the hair is looking like. Can see yo. So thanks for saying to I love you. Thanks for always coming back. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is